Hello everyone, myself Prateek Mishra and I welcome you all to the YouTube platform of IMS Gate Academy. Usually students have this confusion ki sir what are the top 30 colleges in our country to go for master courses. So here is the list of top 30 colleges in which you can get the admission into MTech program through the GATE score. It includes the combination of IITs, NITs and other private and government institutes which provide you top-notch research facility in the country. So one by one we will discuss all of them, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it and share the video to the maximum possible people. So here is the list of top 10 research institutes which starts from the top-notch college for research in our country, that is IISc Bangalore. The next college is IIT Madras, then we have IIT Delhi, then we have IIT Bombay and last one is IIT Kharagpur. These are the top 5 research institutes in our country and these are also the oldest engineering colleges of our country. Then after that, the next 5 set of IITs where good research facilities are available includes IIT Kanpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Guwahati, IIT BHU and IIT ISM Dhanbad. Usually, if you want to get these colleges, you should have a GATE score above 550 and your expected GATE rank could be less than 1500, then there are high chances of getting these top colleges of our country. Then if your GATE score is somewhat in the range of like 350 to 500, then you have a good chance to get into these top NITs. So here is the list of top 10 NITs for you. It starts with NIT Trichurapalli, then we have NIT Surathkal, NIT Rourkela, NIT Warangal, and then we have NIT Calicut. These are the top 5 NITs, and after that we have MNIT Jaipur, NIT Silchar, VNIT Nagpur, NIT Durgapur and NIT Jalandhar. All these NITs and the research institutes are listed in order of their NIRF ranking. It's a ranking provided to the engineering colleges based on how they are conducting the curriculum, how much placement they got, and what are the different research facilities available in these colleges. Apart from these colleges, my dear students, if you have somewhat lesser GATE score, then you can also try for these other universities which also provides equally good research facilities for master program and also for the PhD. These includes Jadavpur University, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, then you have Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Delhi Technological University and Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology. All these 5 other institute also accepts the GATE score for their MTech admission. Apart from that, the other 5 universities are KL College of Engineering, then you have Netaji Subhash University of Technology, it is there in Delhi. Then you have Manipal Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Pune, then Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. All these other universities are first of all available at lesser GATE score. So even if you have a GATE score around 300, you can expect your MTech admission in these universities. Especially if I talk about Delhi Technical University, it offers you the master program which is equivalent to the different NITs MTech program. So you can rate this MTech program by DTU as in higher preference. So these are the top 30 colleges in our country to do your research in any area of engineering. It can be civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical, electronics, telecommunication, computer science, data science. You can go with these top 30 colleges. So I think you got the clarity about this. Before moving ahead, I would like to make few announcements. The first announcement is related to our Telegram group. The group link is given in the description box. We post regular quizzes. We also provide you the links of seminars and webinars. We also provide you the lecture PDFs and the YouTube session details in our Telegram group. So if you want to join our Telegram group, the link is provided to you in the description box. We at IMS Gate Academy, we provide you with 4 different types of program where we provide you with 800 hours of live teaching. Along with that, we provide you with theory and exercise book containing 4000 practice questions, well versed in level 1, level 2 and level 3. And along with that, we provide you with 12 personalized one-to-one mentoring session to keep you oriented, focused, and motivated throughout your GATE preparation journey. We provide you with India's largest test series containing 130 plus tests, and all these course features are provided in online mode, offline mode, hybrid mode, and also in the form of self-learning program. Along with that, we have also released an exclusive test series plus. It is provided to the student, in which we provide you with the exclusive GATE question bank along with India's largest test series containing 130 plus tests, and this is available at an optimum price of 3,299. In this Test Series Plus course, we provide you with 34 years of GATE PYQs of technical subjects, 34 years of GATE PYQs of maths and aptitude. Along with that, we provide you with 130 plus tests, doubt solving, online revision, and score booster, post GATE guidance, PSU and MS mock interview for you, right? And again, the price is only 3,299. So these are the different features you can avail at IMS GATE Academy. And still, if you have found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is what I have to say. Thank you for watching.